using Cypress because I'm I'm QA lead. I'm a QA lead. So
Great.
one of the team is using Cypress.
Great.
Great. So, hello everyone. Yesterday, Vivek and Deepa, you were not uh, in the class. So, yesterday we have seen the custom command. So, guys, did you follow the link yesterday which I have sent to you? Hello, am I audible? Hello, sorry guys, I'm on mute actually. Hey, hi everyone.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hi.
Hi.
yeah. I just okay. So yesterday, Vivek and Deepa were absent. So, did you follow the link which we had done yesterday, the custom command?
I did not get chance.
Yes, sir, me too.
Okay, and what about you, Vivek?
Yes, sir. Actually, I was sick yesterday, and also I didn't get in time to go through this lectures, means recording.
Okay,
But tomorrow I will complete.
okay. So let me just overview that first yesterday which we have done. Uh, okay, so see, actually, what do you understand from custom command, Vivek? If I ask to you,
Sir, custom commands means we can create our own commands and use it whenever it required.
so why it required to create our own command?
Not
To
sure, but
execute
sometimes
to execute particular function,
So to execute particular function, we required our own command. Is it necessary?
which is not defined in the Cypress, and we
Actually,
can
this
define a function and we can use that function as a command as per
actually it is not
my
like that. Like
okay.
why we make custom command, because suppose there is one function which we use oftenly.
Okay.
Okay, so it's a common function required everywhere. So in that case, to avoid writing again and again, we make one custom command and we just call that command. Like we have around suppose 10 to 100, suppose 10 to 20, I suppose line of code which always used everywhere. So what I'll do, I'll make custom code of that and I just call that command and just pass my value over there. Got it?
yes.
Yeah. So let me do once again the custom command here. Yesterday we have seen this custom command add choice. Okay. So I'll just take you one basic example of custom command. Okay. So first of all, you understand one thing like where to write the custom command. So always remember that custom command always write inside its support folder. There is one command.js file.
Okay.
Okay. So inside command.js you have to write your custom command. Got it?
Yes.
So what I'll do, I'll make one Facebook custom command. I'll just pass to email ID. Okay. And we check whether the email ID get passed or not. So first you need to pass this value. This one. Can you see this one? Remember this line of code, cypress dot commands dot add. This line of code. Remember this one. So cypress, write down here cypress, C capital
But
dot.
Shikel,
Yeah,
Shakel, were you able to fix the code?
pardon.
Were you able to fix it like the yesterday task?
Yeah, yeah. Yesterday we'll cover that one also.
Yeah, were you able to fix it to know the problem with the code?
No, no, I haven't touched that one.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah. So I'll just take.
Under J under support title heading we create one file. Command.js, right? Mm.
You can create as many as command. Pardon, Deepa?
Uh, for these commands, we need to create a file under support heading, right?
No, under support folder we have one command.js.
It is already there.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Okay.
When you install Cypress, you will get support folder. Inside support folder, you will already get the command.js file.
Okay.
Inside
And we
command,
just need to define. Okay. Okay.
yeah,
Understood.
got it. If you have
Yes.
your system, you will just open the support and see the command.js file.
Okay. Okay. Very good.
Yeah. So now in this today's session, what we'll do, we'll just pass one email ID of Facebook. Okay, I'll make one custom command for Facebook and just passing one value. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just write a cypress.command that don't add here. If you want to just pass the email ID, for example, I write here Facebook email.
Sir, this is a default command, cypress dot command.
Yeah, this was
We need
default.
to.
cypress.command.add
Okay, okay.
email. I'm passing one your variable here, email. Use your fat arrow operator. Okay. Now open your go to your website of Facebook. Just write on www.facebook.com. Let me check what happened now. Like this, I'm getting here. I don't know why it is. Hmm. Okay, now I'm getting this Facebook here. Just right click, inspect it, and take any locator ID. This is one of one. Take this one. Okay, now inside this custom command, write on here like this: cy.get, write on that ID, and write on type here. Now email. What I have did, what I have done instead type, I am just passing the variable here email. Now I have to pass some value to this email. Got it? So this is my custom command. Can you see? F email. This is my, or I just write on Facebook email also. I can write Facebook.
Sir, what it
So
denote? Facebook email. What it denote
it
means?
is a custom command.
Means in our means normal cy.js file, we denote it's like first one in describe we denote it as a test suite. Init block we denote it as a test case, and
Correct.
here what we denote like means Facebook.
Here we
It's
do
just
not the,
custom command name.
yeah, yeah, I just showcase you once again.
Okay.
Before that, what I'll do, before I use this one Facebook, what I'll do, I'll just use one fixture here. Now tell me your any email ID, okay? Tell me any email ID if you want. Not your authentic one, anyone like abc@gmail.com something. Is it right if I write like this abc dot or abc@gmail.com? Is it fine? Email
I
already
think
there.
you
I just
there
write
are
on
two
Facebook email.
emails there, so maybe you can make
Yeah, I
changes
just
like
write in
email
Facebook
to.
email.
Okay, okay. Facebook email, yeah.
Correct? Yeah. This is my Facebook email. I just take this email here. Now this one is I have created one Facebook email. abc@gmail. I have to pass this value. Okay, this one is a fixture. Example.json is my fixture folder. Okay, fixture file. So I just now custom command. I just close this one. I don't want as of now. Passing email ID using custom command with fixtures. Let's try to. Okay, now I don't describe here to verify the Facebook email ID. Use your fat arrow operator. If you want, you can use this one, exception handling one. Okay, now inside the describe, you can also use the fixture here. This is fixture here. I just copy this fixture here, paste it here. You know very well how to write the fixture in the before hook. First, define the data as variable data. In the before hook, you're adding the fixture folder, cy.fixture example.json file, then f data, and then passing the value of data to data here. Now take one it block here. Okay. Enter the Facebook email ID. This is my first test case. Fat arrow operator. Now, see here, Vivek, your question like how to use the custom command, correct? Now, go to
Yes.
custom command here. You can see you have created your own custom command by the name of Facebook email. Can you see?
Yes.
Just go here and just write down here cy dot. If you want, you can just copy this one. Copy it because the spelling should be the same. Now just write down cy dot Facebook email. Now pass the value data dot. Your email is in the fixture. Write down. Go and copy this one. But before that, you have to open the Facebook website, correct? You can just write on cy.visit facebook.com. Now what happened? Like this Facebook email, this is a custom command. So data.facebook email, this data contain this Facebook email, this accessing that one, this abc.gmail.com. Okay, then this value is passing to this Facebook email custom command. So if you go here, it will come here inside this email, and again it will come here, type email, and it go to this locator.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Deepa, obey.
Yeah.
Any doubt?
Hot for now.
Sir, one doubt from my side.
Yeah.
Uh, to export this uh, to export this command, can we use the import function?
No, the Cypress giving the kind of we can say like we don't have any export import here. Just write down the command and use the command custom command here. There's no need to use import export here.
Okay, okay.
Like
Actually,
when you
somewhere I seen.
yeah
Actually,
when you
somewhere I seen we need data type. We need provide a data type like export, and in the our cy.js file we need to import
exactly
data type.
when we do the page object model, in that case we create one class file. Inside a class file we have many functions, so we export it and the main file we import it.
Hmm.
But in the custom command, there is no need to do import and export. Just go to custom
Okay.
command, create your custom command, just pass the locator, pass the value, just
Okay. So sir, means what is the actual difference between the custom command and other you told recently? Means
see
for
what
X.
happened. See what happened. After you see, I'll take you this. You have taught in the page object model.
Yes.
This
Means
one is a
where
framework.
to use this page of tell where to use page of object model and where to use these custom commands.
Okay, I'll let you know. See custom command. Okay. See this two thing we can use together. Like what happened in page object model. What we do in this page object, what we do, we create two pages here. For example, one page is your locators. Okay, all whatever locators you have, you define in the one page, page number one. Okay, and you export this page. Okay, so what happened in the page object model, you whatever with the locators you have, you created one page, and inside in that page all the locators are there. Okay, now in the second page, what you do is a main describe file. It block is there in this file. You import that locators file and you can use your locator accordingly. Now here the question comes when to use custom command and this page object model. Okay, so basically what happen if you go and see the documentation of Cypress, what it says, like if you have a code of line. Suppose if you have code of line, suppose 10 code of line you have, suppose. Okay. So this 10 code of line you are using oftenly, like whenever you need, you require this one. So instead of writing this into the page object model, you can use custom command. So like page object model, it's very handy to you. But once you use custom command, it's more handy to you. You can create your own command whenever it required. So this 10 code of line you can also use here also in page object model. Okay. So the like now the second thing is that now if suppose I want to use this 10 code of line in page object model, then in that case I have to create my own page object model, import and export. Then I have to use that one. But in the custom command, there is no need to use page object model here. Like
Okay.
whatever I'm teaching you as of now, I'm
Hmm.
not creating any framework here.
Right.
And this one is oftenly used, suppose every time I am getting this one. So without creating any framework, you can use the custom command. But you can also use framework with custom command, no problem. So remember one thing, like there is one line of code which is suppose like this line of code I'm having. Can you see?
Yes.
Yesterday, myself and Obe have done this one. So, like to get rid of writing again this custom command, like writing this code locators again. So what we do, I just created one custom command add choice. So add choice means what? It comes all the locators. And suppose if you see here, these locators, this one is search box, search button here. All the locators again comes under this add choice here. Got it?
Yes.
So you just understand that you can just get rid of writing the whole code again and again. Got it?
Yes. Got it. Thank you.
Okay. Now I have to pass the value here. Just go to yeah, Facebook email data dot Facebook email here. So just we'll check it out whether this function is working or not. I'll just save it and run it. Okay, if I write here, see, can you see?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Deepa,
Yes, sir.
now I have to pass the password, okay, to this text box. So just take the locator of this one, copy this one, go to your custom command. Inside custom command, just type the your cy.get locators. With okay, sorry. This was the locator. Now type. Now again we have only email here, no password. So what I'll do, I just comma and I don't password here. Now I can use the password here. Okay. Now go to your example. This is your picture. You comma here. Write on double quote Facebook pass. Okay. Now I'll give the password here ABC111. Okay. Just go to your main file. Now create one more custom command or the same custom command you can use. Now see here. No need to write again and again. Okay, I'm just writing the cY.facebook here. Facebook email. Now data dot your Facebook pass here. Now see what happened. Save it. Now see. Now what he says here.
Why you use Facebook email again?
I am writing email. One second. Let me check what mistake I have done.
Let's check the fixture. Let me see.
This one you're talking
Correctly.
about, Ove?
Yeah, you use Facebook email again there.
See, this one is the same, na? Facebook email.
Okay.
You can just change your custom code if you want. You just put here
Okay.
Facebook credential if you need Facebook
Okay.
cred. Yeah,
Yeah, better.
because I am using the same custom command for two. Okay, now this was pass. So what happened now if I go and check it out? It says like this password undefined, correct? So let me check the issue here. Okay, okay. What it says can only accept string or number. You pass in undefined. Let me check. Uh, data dot Facebook pass ABC111 custom command if I password is there dot type. This is my locator. Let me try.
Do 10 more.
Repass. If I take this from idea. cy dot type. Oh, you can pass currently accept a string or number passed in undefined. Okay, what I'll do instead of this data Facebook pass, if I just pass here C111 directly here, so let me check. Hmm. Password. What do you think, guys? Why is getting error? Any idea?
Is it data type or something?
Hmm.
What is the error message? Depending on the
See
error
what I'll
message.
do. I'll just give comment here. I just checking out. Now here I write the data dot. Go to my copy. Now I just give comment here. Now let me check what happened. What is it I can get now? Now it worked for the password. Okay. And suppose if I give this line of code below to this line and I just open the what happened? Guys, can you see here?
We need to define
Yeah,
separately
yeah.
each.
So we need to define separately for each and every test case here. So this one is Facebook email. Then again I can just copy this one, go to here. This one is Facebook pass email. This was Facebook email. This one is Facebook pass. Okay, now okay now now this is two custom command I am using. One is Facebook email. One is Facebook pass. Okay, now let me check. So in this way I can use these two together. But suppose if I want to use in a single custom command, if I want to pass two values, then what will I do?
What is the question?
Like, Obey, what happened, for each value, we are creating a separate custom command.
Yes.
Okay, so it's working right now. But my question is, suppose I need to pass two values in only one custom command.
If you want to pass one value
Yeah,
in one custom command.
like this is just now we have done, no? Just I'm just writing here comma and password.
Okay, I think the you need to define in the custom command, you need to define it together. Don't know how to put it.
Like yesterday we have done
I don't
now.
really know. Don't really
Yesterday we
know
have done
what should
in
do.
the same add choice custom code we have passed those two values here.
Yeah. Item one and item two.
The same thing I want to do, in the same custom command I want to pass two values. One is email,
But it
another is the
doesn't work.
password. But and even though it's not giving me the proper error, it's saying that it's the type is not like only accept the string and the number. Hmm. Hmm. Email ID password. Let me try once again. I'll create one more custom command. I'll just copy this one. I'll just pass here custom Facebook create the comma password. Now I'll just give the now I run this one. See, cy.type can only accept a string or number you passed in. You passed undefined, it says to me. It's not
Okay.
taking the second value, but we can pass many values. This was for email, second for the password. Mm, what I'll do, this one is Facebook email. No, if I Facebook email, suppose if I change the, doesn't matter for me if I take this one. Seriously, Facebook pass. Mm-hmm. Second one. First one taking the value. Problem coming for the second one. No, guys, it's not working for the passing two values.
Okay.
Once we use the separate one, it is working. But when we are passing the two values at a time, it's not working. But according to me, like we have tried many times, it work. Mm, because here the locator is different. We are not using the same locator here. And after typing, we're just passing the second argument here. So it's taking the first argument, but not second. Okay, let me check on it. Why it is getting problem? Yeah. So Obey, just we finish your query yesterday's we have done. So did you try that one?
I've not tried it yet.
Not try yet. Okay. And second thing, Vivek and Deepa, you have any doubt about this custom command? How to use, how to call without import export, and what is the use of this custom command?
Sir, I'm confused. Still.
Okay, you can ask to me.
Right.
Okay, you can ask to me what confusion you have. We'll clear that confusion.
Vivek asked about a form and this, so the usage
See,
and
POM, when we use POM, like why? Okay, suppose if I want to ask to you why we use POM, what do you think?
we make locators ready to
Okay,
use further in programs, and we just call that locators.
correct. Suppose if the locator gets changed, so we just go to that locator and change it, so it will reflect in
Right,
everywhere. Correct?
right,
Yeah. So like your question comes in our mind that if we have POM, then why we use custom command?
right.
Correct? So
Yes.
see, if you see carefully, the custom command is more handy compared to POM. Why? In POM we are creating the
But sir, here we need to call this custom commands in three different files: main, then command, then JSON file. In POM, we just need two files: one for defining locators and one our actual program.
no, it also
Actual.
it also use the three one, no fixture one.
Actual.
This one is a fixture file. The third file you're talking
Right.
about, na? So
Yes.
this we
But
can also
in
use in the
POM,
POM.
okay,
No,
okay, okay.
no fixture is
But
also, yeah.
we won't be needing this command.js, right?
Yeah, it's not compulsory. Instead of, see, now instead of this data type, like I'm passing the data dot. Instead of that, I just pass one value only. It will work for me. Like instance, see, I remove this. I open this command here, comment, and instead of this fixture, I just write on some ABC ABC at the rate 123, and this is my password. This is not a compulsory that you have to use fixture only in custom command. Okay, now see here. Passbook email. Okay, this giving me error.
So we can use both in our project, custom commands and
Yeah, but see,
POM.
you cannot see if I write a comment. Okay, if I without comment, I what happened to this? Once again, huh? This was Facebook email, correct? Email email, and this was my custom command Facebook email. So it comes here, it will come here, and it go to the side now. So this is my facebook.com. See, it will work. ABC, can you see? Without fixture.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So without fixture also we can use. But like what I'm saying, like remember one thing: when to use custom command. Basically,
Hmm.
when to use custom command. Suppose you have 10 line of code, as I said you before. Okay, and you have to, and this line of code you have to use again and again.
Hmm.
So in that case, you use custom command.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if you are saying like, yeah, we can also use in POM, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, but POM is little bit tricky. In the POM, you have to create two files, two pages. Two files, import and export. You have to create one class, then you have to pass value, correct? But in custom command, there is no need to use import and export. You just write on cy dot your custom command and you pass your value.
Okay.
Is similar both of. If you see carefully, you will find that POM and custom command is similar, but the custom command is more easy. Like there is no need to use export and import functions. There is no need to use the object in custom command. Like in POM, we create the object. We call the function by using that object, correct? But if you see carefully in custom command, there is no need to create your object.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So it's more handy. So second thing, like you thought that you have to use fixture. It's not like that. It is depend
Yes.
on you whether you want to use fixture or not.
Okay. Understood.
Got it?
Yes.
So I hope you clear the fixture now.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'll give us one assignment to you guys. Can you do that assignment?
Yes.
Yes, obey Vivek. Where is Vivek?
Vivek. Vivek left, I guess.
Okay, he left. Okay, no problem. Okay, so do one thing. Like suppose if I ask you one more question, like, obey. Suppose if I ask to you, like in this Facebook, I want to click this
Yeah,
one login button using custom command.
yeah.
What I'll do now?
You inspect it first,
Okay, then
then you go to the face. You go
yeah,
to
yeah. This one is my first of all. I'll check it out. Any ID? Yeah, ID is there, correct? I just copy,
yeah,
put here the hash. Okay, one of one. Okay, now for this one again, I have to create one more custom command.
yeah, in the command.
Okay, this one is for email. This one pass. Now again custom command. So Deepa, if you see now, for each and every element, if you are creating the custom command, then it's not good for you.
Okay.
Okay, but if you want one custom command like this, and in under this custom
Mhm.
command you have this line of code,
Mhm.
then it will work for you.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will tricky. For each and every line you are making the custom command. So in our case, what happened? I am passing two values here, email and password, but it's not taking. Giving some error. So that's why I have to create two custom command here for email and for password. Now again, I have creating the third for login button here, custom command. So it's not good. I think custom command dot add,
Why not dot click?
yeah, Facebook
Click button. Facebook
login
click.
button. No, now we are not passing any value, correct? So
Yes,
no need to pass any comment here. Just get your
like
locator,
that.
give your locator, and now click here instead of type. And if you want, you can just
Yeah,
type a post to also. Now in the Google here, now what's my custom command here? Facebook login button. Just go to your, now write down your, okay, this one is your first password. Now cy dot, now you don't pass anything, okay, because just a button, we're clicking it.
Yeah.
Save all, now run it. So again it's giving me error. uh, Email. Ensure the element does not have an attribute name disabled before typing into it. Here ABC one get printed. Can you see this one? Password is not getting printed. Third one page login button. Hmm. See, can you see guys this one? This is the inbuilt, command they given to us, like cypress.command.add. Here login page, you can pass two values, email and password. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. In our case, I'm not able to pass two values at a time. But here Cypress says that you can pass two values in login page, email and password.
Maybe the problem might be from Facebook security.
Yeah, might be.
Sometimes some websites don't allow automation.
Yeah,
So
exactly. Might
robots
be.
on
And second
website
thing,
don't like.
yeah, and second thing, we are getting this, the local language, Indian local language, Hindi. You can see it, not English.
Yeah.
Yeah, might be the reason for this. Even though it's not a Hindi, it's a Marathi state language.
What language is that?
Marathi.
Marathi. In India?
Yeah, in India there is one state Maharashtra. So the
Yeah.
it's a language of Maharashtra.
How many languages in India?
Uh, I don't know. It's more than 100 languages. Might be.
Okay.
Yeah.
So many.
Every state its
But
own
not
language. Yeah.
my
Every
country. My country is about 500 languages.
500 languages in Nigeria.
500. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, great.
So many.
So how many language you know?
Only three.
Okay, we also know three language only.
Okay.
Great. 500 languages. Nigeria. Oh, great. Yeah. So, Deepa, your confusion got clear now?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Still, you have doubt? You can ask to me.
Yes, okay.
You do one thing. You try to do practical, so you will get more idea.
Right, sir.
Yeah, if you have problem like
Okay.
custom command and the form differences, you will get clear.
Sir, actually,
Yeah.
currently there are many layoffs going on in our company. So we have to prove ourselves and complete our work on time. And there is lot of burden we have. So I
Okay.
don't get enough time. Yes.
So layoff is going on. Okay,
Yes.
sad to
Every
hear.
month.
Every month.
Yes.
Oh no.